Hello, good evening from my side here. I still remain pharmacist Jacob, a trained pharmacist and a forex trader, profitable one. Today we'll continue with our lesson on gold. I want us to analyze gold using my strategy, the ACC strategy. This is the only strategy I'm using, and it has been printing money for me, and that's why I want to share it to the public. So we'll continue today with the strategy. But I want us to analyze gold since we are in weekend. Let's see what's going to play out this coming week on gold. Um, so like I always said, the first thing we do in analyzing any currency pair or anything at all is to go to the higher time frame. For me, I use the 4 hour time frame to locate the long time, to see the long time view of the market. So I go to higher time frame to locate the long time view of the market. So from the higher time frame, that's the 4 hour time frame, you can see that the market is showing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now the market has been going down for a while, but there's change of structure here. You can see a bullish engulfing candle here, and then it forms a partial double top, and you can see here too there's a little double top here. So you can see this is the origin of the trend. This is higher high, this is high low, this is higher high, this is high low, and we are expecting a continuation of the of the higher high. We are expecting a continuation of the higher high. So so let me demonstrate it again for the benefit of clarity. So this is the origin of the trend here. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here, higher high. We are expecting higher high, something like this. So it's as simple as that. Once we are able to locate the trend of the market from the higher time frame, we now draw our trend line. But I would love us to draw our trend line taking cognizance of the the week. You can draw trend line, two types of trend line that you can draw. You can decide to draw trend line from the body of the candle. You can draw trend line from the body of the candle from here like this. That's an uptrend. You can decide also to draw it from the week to week, body to body, or week to week. So you can draw the trend line from here too, like this. So for us here, I want us to use the to week, week to week. So this is the origin of the trend here. Here, the origin of the trend here, and as we can see, the market is indicating a change of character and is pushing up. So this is an uptrend. So let's go to 1 hour time frame to make sure that the 4 hour time frame is in synchrony with the 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, the 1 hour time frame is clearly showing that we are not wrong, that the market is moving upward. Is on upward movement. That's uptrend week to week. So from here, we can also decide to draw another trend line here, because all we need to draw trend line is either two trough or two peaks. Now, because we are drawing upward movement trend line, we need two trough. And as you can see, this is trough one here, the origin of the trend. This is another trough. This is another trough. But if it is downtrend, we need at least two peaks from here coming down, But we are interested in the upward movement because the market have indicated a change in character, and it's showing that the market will resume an upward movement. So let's see whether we can draw another trend line here from this week down. No, it's too tight. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Going to 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that the market is actually moving upward. So using our strategy, ACC strategy, A is for aggressive move, C for correctional move, and the last C for continuation move. So coming to 4 hour time frame, you know, we can see that this, coming to 15 minutes time frame, we can see that we have a key level here. We have a key level here. Let's see, because gold respects key levels. So we have key levels here. Because guys, it's not every time you enter the market that you take trade. You have to be sure of what you are doing. And we also have another key level here, the recent, somehow recent one here. You can see another key level here. Gold respects such key levels. And that's why we have to pay close attention to key levels too. As we are paying attention to trend line, we must also pay attention to key levels. And gold respect key levels too. So this is another key level here. You know, you can see a very good key level here. Now, key level in the sense that the market has respected it over and over. You see, the market came here, touch here, went back, came here, touch here, and all that. So recent one, you can see the market has touched this key level in the previous pass, and it has touched here again. So there's possibility that the market may likely come back and touch this key level. So this is our aggressive move, like I said. This is our using my strategy. This is our aggressive move. This is the correctional move that we are waiting for it to come back and touch the trend line here. And then we place our trade from here to target here. We are going to target here. We are going to target here. So this is our aggressive move. This is the correctional move. And we are going to take our trade here to target the highest, the recent previous high. So we are placing our trade from here. We are placing our trade from here. So if I'm going to place a pending order, if I'm placing a pending order, I will place it here around this area. I'll place my pending order around here, just at the body of the recent key level here. So my entry is going to be at 4,422.70 if we are placing a pending order here. So for me, would have loved to place my pending order here and target here. And God is crazy, God is heavy. It can give you very good risk to reward. The only thing is that if you're having small accounts, it may be disastrous. You may lose your account because gold is very heavy, guys. So if you are trading gold, you have to trade it with caution. You apply proper risk management. Ensure you don't put too big lot size. Put small, minimum, at least lot size to avoid losing your account or to avoid losing a chunk of money. You know, trading is not a gambling; it's a business. So if you can be disciplined enough, that you don't want to make the whole money at once, you are disciplined, you are using proper risk management. Long time, guys, you make money. Long time. So our aim is to make money long time. We are not here to do gambling and make money now, 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 now. Like most traders come with this mindset. But we are here to make money long time. And that's the importance of applying proper risk management. So my stop loss is going to be here. My stop loss is going to be 4,398.71, while my entry is going to be 4,422.70. This will be my entry, guys. I think that's it. That's it. That's it. My entry is going to be here. Entry is going to be here. Yes, guys, my entry is going to be here. So and we target here. So you see, you can see that it will give us risk to reward of about 5.47. We are risking one to make 5.47, guys. 5.47. So it's as simple as that. Very simple, very straightforward. And this is a strategy that I'm even teaching my children. And it doesn't take long. They understood it. Keep doing it, keep repeating it. And you must also know that trading is a game of probability. You will win some and you will lose some. So when you lose, when you hit stop loss, even if you hit stop loss back to back, maybe about 3 or 4 or 5 consecutive times, that does not make you to be a bad trader because anything can happen in the market. There's no complete certainty in the market, and that's why we apply proper risk management. We apply stop loss so that if peradventure our analysis was wrong, at least we know how much we are going to risk, we know how much we are losing, you know. So we don't come to trading with a mindset of gambling, but we come with a mindset of business. And that's why we apply proper risk management. So, guys, if today is your first time coming across my video, my channels, kindly subscribe, follow me up for more educative videos like this. I tell you, I assure you, if you follow me for 6 months, you must see result. So tell your friends, tell anyone around you that is struggling to make money in the market. Tell them about me. Let them come and subscribe to my YouTube. Let them follow me up. I tell you, slow but steady. By the grace of God, within 6 months, you are supposed to turn out to be profitable. You know, trading is not supposed to take somebody long time before you become profitable. You know, if you know what you are doing, I tell you, within 6 months, you should become profitable. Even less than 6 months, 4 months, you know. So all you need is consistency and come with a mindset that you are coming to learn. You are coming to learn first before you start earning. By the time you learn, you now remove the L and start earning. So this is a business and this is a career. You can see I'm a professional pharmacist, but I choose to learn other skills. And that's why I became, a forest trader. And it's pain, guys, because I am somebody who like freedom. Being a pharmacist, I don't have time. I don't have freedom. I don't have time for myself. I'm always engaged. Almost 24 hours of my time. Even in the night, people calls me for consultation about drugs and all that, you know. So I don't really have time. But I'm looking forward to see how I can gain time for myself. Because the most important thing in this life is you having time for yourself, having time for your family, and having time for your God to serve God. Take care of your health, serving God, and having time for your family. And slowly, gradually, I'm achieving that by the grace of God. So, guys, let's work together as a team. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative videos, and I'll be bringing in some psychological talks that will help us, prepare our mind for success in this business. Thank you, guys. God bless you, and do have a pleasant day ahead. If you're a Christian, please kindly go to church tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, because trading is also spiritual. We must be able to, be spiritually prepared. You talk to God, tell God about it, and God is interested in everything we do. So it is important for us to also go closer to God to help us, achieve our dream. Because without God, I tell you, none of our dream will be achievable. We are what we are by the mercy and the grace of God. And so we must not forget who we are. So I'm just advising us to put God in it. And I tell you, God will never disappoint you. Thank you, guys. Do have a pleasant day ahead. Bye, everyone. Bye.